With the state of, I guess, the construction industry, so many companies unsure of how they're going or collapsing, something like Styck is really needed in every company. Styck's a construction financial management system. When we set it up, we really focused on the one area, which was the project financials, and we wanted to get that perfect.
What we were really trying to achieve is just produce a product that's easy to use, but also gives the people that financial information that they're looking for, and doing it in a way where it's just happening, like the financial information is just there.
The features that we're getting amazing feedback on is the budget versus actuals, and then that obviously gives you a report on your project finances daily. The claims variations is something that for some reason a lot of systems have made it hard. We do them really quick and easy, and that obviously tracks along and gives them a flow. Retention tracking, something that everyone is frustrated with, so we've done really well with that and really made that a very easy process. And potentially the subcontract agreements, really just locking that in easy with their contracts and making sure they're diligent with how they get their trades to work for them. Our system's really good on risk management as well. So if anything goes down the track, you've got it there ready to go.
The other core features is our reporting. We've got a work in progress, we've got committed costs, we've got a company financials that gives you a budgets and actuals, not just on one project, but also across all your projects. So you get that really clear picture of how your projects are financially performing across the board. The biggest surprise that we find clients have when they're using Styck is just the ease of use. We're a results first type system, meaning that we can show these financial positions that companies are in very clearly and very accessible.
So we're Mood Construction. We sort of operate in the high-end retail commercial space. The good thing about Styck and what we've been able to integrate within the business now as the business has grown is to streamline that financial process for us. You know, through the delivery process, as you know, there's so much variability that happens on projects. Being able to track it with the simplicity of a single user interface that everyone can could have adapt to quite easily and simply has been really advantageous for us.
One thing we're very passionate about is working with our clients. We're able to take like someone's needs and then come away and work out like a more tailored solution to help shape the software.
The guys at Styck have been really good at integrating what it is that we need for the business within their software. So taking the feedback, implementing it within the software, and then rolling it out almost instantaneously has been unreal. As we learn these things, you know, the guys have been there every step of the way, which has been great.
We're an active developing company, so we're constantly building it, working with our client base, really going in directly to them to say, okay, what do you want? How can we deliver that? We're really passionate about that. We're looking at bringing in subcontractor-driven progress claims, meaning subcontractors will be able to lodge claims directly into Styck. We're looking at improvements around document distribution, just giving people an easy option about being able to make sure everyone's on track and using the same drawings by using Styck's system of being able to send documentation out of it. We're also looking at cash flow. There's the cash flow being the short term, like, you know, what's our bank balance going to be in 2 months? And then also looking at the more projected cash flow, where I want a month-to-month sort of horizontal look at that, where we can say where we're going to be in October 25 and onwards, and basically get an understanding of like, when is our work dry up, when's our strong points, when is our weak points, being able to just present that information easily. And that's something we're quite passionate about, and that's something we want to bring out to the public in 2025.
We have 2 integrations with Xero and MyOp, and we're open to other companies if they come to us if they've got areas that they need to integrate with. We've also got some partners that we've been working with, BuildPass, Dindo and Easy Bills, which we've added as we've gone along based on some of our clients using it. The next development's pretty exciting because we want to stick to where we are, the project finances. And we won't go too far away from that, but we do want to be that full system for companies. We've got someone from every state using Styck.
Quite an easy system to use, so we're really getting an uptake across different markets. Finding a lot of like residential companies will be using Styck. We're finding a lot of subcontractors are using Styck. We're not really putting anyone in a box, like they don't have to be that specific business type. We're just finding if they're doing a construction job and they want a better understanding of their financials, they're perfect to use Styck. So we have 3 co-founders of Styck. There's myself, there's Nick, and there's Tyson. The combination of our names actually is what the name Styck actually comes from, the combination of those 3 names. Just that gel between the 3 of us is a really, really good dynamic. Part of its success is the relationship the 3 of us have together.
Styck can help solve that sleepless nights, I believe. A lot of our leads and inquiries come from 2 to 3 a.m. And whether that's the wife or the husband or the financial controller, people are looking up and going to sleep unsure about their finances. And we've made a system that you can track on a daily basis where your dollars are at. That part's pretty exciting, that we've made that system so accessible.
With Styck, they understand from day one what their forecast is going to be.